Hi everybody, so today we're making another kind of plane, and this is my little brother. He will be joining me today on making this different type of plane. Do not start already. Are you excited? He is very shy. I forgot to mention that. And now we will make a different type of plane. So the first First we do this, make it completely lined to the edge. Can you do it? And then do a very good crease. Then it's in like that, so it doesn't completely come up. Then this way we make it lined to this crease and make an other crease. Did you do it? I did this way. Then we turn it and make that same thing on the same step on this place too. And then we make a nice crease. And then we open it. Oh, you need help? Should have known that. That's why I gave him the other paper, so he didn't mess it up. So now we turn it over. And then we do this. It should be lined up. It should be lined up just like that. If it is, you are doing great. Then you turn around again, and then you do this. And then you do this. It's like you need help again. I can't believe. Why is it so secret? And then we do this like how you make another plane. And then you want it to match. Oh, does he need help again? Tell me. So it's a bit crappy. I don't know, but I don't know if it's gonna work for him. But he's just learning, so I should think, yeah. And he made a very crappy odd plane. And then when you're done, it should have like an arrow on it, like this, like this arrow. And this flies very far. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe and like the video. And remember, we also make other videos, like on Friday, we make Minecraft and Roblox videos. And remember to leave a comment down below and hit that bell button. Bye bye.